Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the app-linked application to your Firestick as well as the best codes to use there. This way you'll be able to jailbreak your Firestick, or in other words, to get access to thousands of apps which are not available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And the whole process is super easy to do and set up. So now without any further ado, let me show you how to get app-linked and set it up on your Firestick device. And first of all, you gotta get the app code downloader to your device. You can actually get it totally for free from your official Amazon App Store. So just go to search on your device and start typing downloader in the search bar. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on downloader, and there's the app that you gotta get to your Firestick device. But after you get downloader, it's actually not over yet, because we still need to set it up. So in order to actually set up downloader on your device, we have to go to the settings. So you click on that button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Let's open it. And from here, what you gotta do is turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, because it's actually super easy to make them appear. You just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote, and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case, and in your case it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have popped out for us right here. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps, open that as well, and now from here all you gotta do is just locate downloader app and turn that option on. So what it does is going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now, finally, you gotta go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here. You open it, and there's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Germany right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Firestick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. Or alternatively, if you don't want to use NordVPN, you can also get IPVanish instead, which is another really decent VPN provider. They are a bit cheaper than Nord, and we also do have a discount code for them as well in a pinned comment below this video or in the description of this video. So it is up to you to decide. It's either NordVPN or IPVanish. And now finally we gotta use downloader safely. So we open the downloader application, and now here on the left side menu you gotta click on home. After that you open the search bar and we gotta start entering the link. So the link is gonna be applinked.store. So let's enter that together. Once again, this app linked dot store. There you go, there's the link that you have to enter, so make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes. Then you click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks. And then when the website has finally opened for us, you need to click on download app linked. So we click on it, and now the download of app linked is going to start. Usually it takes only a couple of seconds to do so. So let's wait a bit. There you go. At this moment, you need to click on install and just wait for Applinked to get installed on your Firestick device. And when it actually was installed, you should not click on open yet. Instead, press on done, because this way you'll have an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now what we actually got to do is go to settings one more time. So we click on that button with a gear icon, then again go to My Fire TV. And if you don't remember, we got to go to developer options, install unknown apps. And this time you have to locate app linked and turn that option for app linked as well, because we'll be using app linked to download other applications from the internet. And now what we need to do is go to the list of apps on your device, open it, wait until it loads, and there's the app linked which we have just downloaded. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, app linked is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay private online. Then safely open app linked and wait until it loads for you. And what you gotta do in the app is just click on add a store. And the first code is gonna be 43463712. So once again, it is 43463712. Make sure to enter the code exactly as you see. Then you gotta click on next, click on add. After that, you go to saved stores and select the code that we have just entered from your list. Then click on open. And here I had to blur out my screen because of YouTube rules, because I cannot show you the exact applications available here, but still I am able to describe what kind of apps are going to be found. So there are all kinds of movie applications, live TV apps, IP2 players, and so on. So that's the first code we used today. Now let's go back and I'll show you a couple more amazing codes to use in the app linked. So you need to click on the back button, then click on add a store again. And now the second code is going to be 54321. So it's once again 54321. Then we click on next, click on add, and again go to save stores and select the saved code from the list. Then you click on open. And this app store is going to be pretty small, but it's got a couple of essential apps that might be really useful. There's an alternative app store, as well as one of the best movie applications that you can use on your Fire TV Stick device. So that was the second code. Now we go back and use even more codes. So click on add a store again. And the following code is going to be 8970. So it's 8970, pretty simple. Save the code in your list and then select it from your list of codes. And then we open the code again. And this alternative app store is going to be pretty big. There's a lot of movie applications of all kinds, as well as some media players, IP2 players, and so on. So that was the third code we used today. And now we go back for one more code. So let's enter it. It's going to be 88099. So once again, 88099. Save the code to your list and then let's open it up. And there it is. We select it and open the code. And from here you get even more movie applications, TV shows, apps, live TV, IPTV players, media players, and all kinds of useful apps that you can use on your Fire Sticks or Android TVs. So today you learned some new codes for your uplinked application. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.